Hello, students. Welcome to your EVS class. Today we will start a chapter 8, The World of Animals. Now, students, if I ask you a question, when you see around yourself, जब आप लोग अपने आसपास देखते हैं क्या दिखता है? पेड़ दिखता है, एनिमल्स दिखता है, तो आज हम लोग वही एनिमल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Now, when you see animals, all the animals, they are having few things in common. सारे एनिमल्स का कुछ कॉमन फीचर्स है लाइक ऑल द एनिमल्स विल नीड फूड एंड वाटर क्योंकि खाना और पानी के बिना तो कोई भी लिविंग थिंग्स नहीं रह सकता है. सो ऑल एनिमल्स विल नीड फूड एंड वाटर. दे विल ब्रीथ, दे विल टेक इन ऑक्सीजन, दे विल मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह वो लोग मूव करेंगे. दे हैव बेबीज, दे विल गिव राइज टू बेबीज and they are born, they will grow and they will die, and they have feelings like us. जैसे if you have seen a dog, when it is happy it will wag its tail. जैसे अगर आपके घर में पेट है डॉग या फिर आप रास्ते के भी डॉग को देख सकते हैं, when they are happy वो लोग अपने पूंछ को बहुत ज़ोर से हिलाते हैं. सो उन लोग में भी फीलिंग्स है. So these are the common features of all animals. Now we will see about the different categories of animal, like animals that live in water, animals that live in land, and animals that live in air. So first come the water animals. We all know fish is one of the water animals. We are all acquainted with the fish. Now, how does a fish live in water? What is there which is helping the fish to live in water? सबसे पहले तो the body is covered with scales and it is having fins for swimming in water, and the breathing organ is gills. हम लोग के जैसा नाक नहीं है, gills है, which is helping the fish to take in oxygen from the water. Now, other type of water animals are your crabs, prawns and lobsters, and they are having shell, एक hard shell around their body. They are covered with a hard shell, and they are like insects only. They are cousins of insects and spiders. Now, even in water animals, you will find whales and dolphins. They are in sea. वो लोग समुद्री जीव है. And whales and dolphins, they are not fish. Why? Because they don't lay eggs. मछली क्या अंडा देती है, लेकिन whales and dolphins मछली जैसा लगता है लेकिन वो लोग मछली नहीं है. They are mammals because they give birth to babies. Okay, now see here starfish also. It is called starfish because it is looking like a star, and here also there is a shell around the body. Now come to the land animals. Land animals, there are many land animals. Lion, tiger, monkey, dog, cat, flies, insects. These are all land animals. So we will see one by one. Now worm, kira. They are land animals. The most common is the earthworm, quechua. They are found in the rainy season. And they have no legs. How do they walk then? They crawl on the ground. So see, this is the picture of a earthworm. See here. And they are helpful because they make the soil fertile. Another land animal is the snail. This also you will see during the rainy season, and you are seeing a shell is present around the body. Now, next category of land animals are the flies, mosquitoes, butterflies, the insects. And all insects, one thing is common, they all are having 6 legs except spider. Spider में कितना legs होता है? 8 legs. All right. Now frogs, you are also very common thing. Frogs you see during the rainy season, and their skin is slippery, and the young one of a frog is known as a tadpole. Next land animal, it is very common, the lizard, which you will find in your houses also, chipkilli, and usi ka cousin chameleon. See, chameleon, it is known for its changing its color. वो रंग बदलता है, बोलते हैं ना मुहावरा गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलना. So why do they change the color? To protect itself from enemies. Now, other type of land animals are the snakes, tortoise and crocodiles. They are also like lizards only. They belong to the lizard family. And they have scales like on their body. They have scales on their body and they lay eggs. Okay, see here the very beautiful, this is a star tortoise. Okay, see the shell is looking so beautiful here. Then other land animals are monkeys, chimpanzees and gorillas. We are very close to them. बोलते हैं ना ये सब हमारे पूर्वज थे, ancestors. From them only human beings have evolved. And a very important feature of these animals are they can hold things. वो लोग हमारे तरह ही अपने हाथ से चीज़ों को पकड़ सकते हैं. And other land animals are your cows, dogs, cats, horses, tigers, we all know. Now, next category of animals that fly in the air or live in air, these are the birds. They are very beautiful creatures. Few are very colorful birds, and you will see all birds. They are having different type of beak. उन लोग का चोंच हर बर्ड में अलग होता है. ये कैसे डेवलप करता है, वो लोग जिस तरह का खाना खाते हैं. जैसे अगर आप लोग क्रो को देखिए, दे ईट फ्लैश, so their beak is pointed. Now, sparrow, they eat grains, so their beak is adjusted according to the way they are eating. And the body of bird, it is covered with feathers. They are having wings, which is helping the birds to fly. But there are two birds like penguins and ostriches which cannot fly. So when we have seen the world of animals, one thing we have to keep in mind, that we have to take care of animals. Like sometimes what happens, we see a dog, उसके ऊपर पत्थर फेंकते हो, वैसा नहीं करना है. Animal should be taken care of. And if you're having a pet animal in your home, तो उन लोगों को हमारे तरह ही प्यार से रखना है. And if the animals fall sick, then where you have to take them? You have to take them to the animal doctor, veterinary doctor. In short, we call them vet. All right. So this is the chapter about world of animals.